I'm going to explore the enduring influence of Greek mythology in modern culture. These ancient myths, more than just old tales, continue to shape our art, literature, and even our understanding of the world. Greek mythology, a rich tapestry of gods, heroes, and monsters, has been a source of inspiration for centuries. Its themes of heroism, adventure, and the human condition resonate deeply, influencing countless works of literature. For example, the epic tales of Hercules and Odysseus have been retold in numerous forms, from classical paintings to modern movies. Moreover, Greek mythology extends its influence beyond the arts. It has shaped modern language, with many English words and expressions originating from these ancient stories. Additionally, these myths have provided a framework for understanding human psychology, notably through the work of Freud and Jung.
Now, I am thrilled to take you on a journey to explore the Great Barrier Reef, one of the most stunning and important natural wonders of our world. This vibrant underwater ecosystem is not just a spectacle of beauty but also plays a crucial role in the environmental health of our planet. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Australia, is the largest coral reef system in the world. It is home to an incredible diversity of marine life, including thousands of species of fish, corals, and other sea creatures. This biodiversity makes it a critical habitat for conservation and a natural laboratory for scientists studying marine ecology. However, the Great Barrier Reef faces significant threats, primarily from climate change. Rising sea temperatures have led to coral bleaching, endangering this vibrant ecosystem. The reef's health is a crucial indicator of the overall health of our oceans and the planet. The Great Barrier Reef is more than just a beautiful destination, it's a vital part of our global ecosystem. Today, let's delve into the revolutionary impact of the printing press, an invention that transformed society and laid the groundwork for the modern world. Invented by Johannes Gutenberg in the 15th century, the printing press ushered in an era of mass communication, altering the course of history. Before the printing press, books were hand-copied and scarce, limiting knowledge to a privileged few. Gutenberg's invention made it possible to produce books quickly and in large numbers, democratizing information and making it accessible to a broader audience. This was a turning point that fueled the Renaissance, the scientific revolution, and the Reformation. The spread of printed material led to increased literacy rates and the dissemination of new ideas across Europe. It broke the monopoly of the elite over knowledge and education, empowering individuals with information and fostering critical thinking and debate. Furthermore, the printing press played a crucial role in preserving and sharing knowledge. It helped standardize languages and texts, shaping cultural and national identities.
whose contributions were crucial to understanding the structure of DNA. Her story is a powerful reminder of the impact of perseverance and dedication in scientific discovery. Rosalind Franklin's expertise in X-ray crystallography led to the famous Photo 51, a critical piece of evidence in determining the double helix structure of DNA. Her meticulous and precise approach provided key insights that were essential for this groundbreaking discovery. Yet, her contributions were initially overshadowed and only gained recognition posthumously. Franklin's work extends beyond DNA. She made significant contributions to understanding the molecular structures of viruses and coal, showcasing her versatility and expertise in multiple fields of study. In conclusion, Rosalind Franklin's legacy is not just in her scientific achievements but also in her resilience in a male-dominated field. Her story inspires future generations of scientists, especially women, to pursue their passions in the face of challenges.
The often overlooked impact of urban green spaces on community well-being is yet significant. In our fast-paced urban lives, these natural havens play a vital role in enhancing our quality of life. Urban green spaces, like parks and gardens, provide essential breathing spaces amidst the concrete landscape. They are not just areas of aesthetic beauty but also crucial for mental and physical health. Studies have shown that regular exposure to green spaces reduces stress, improves mood, and encourages physical activity, all of which are vital for a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, these green areas foster community interaction and engagement. They act as social hubs where people of all ages can come together, promoting a sense of belonging and community spirit. This is particularly important in urban settings where isolation and anonymity can be prevalent. In conclusion, urban green spaces are more than just patches of nature in our cities.